Hey, good afternoon, my friends. How are you? So I've got a bit of painting done with the BF 109. So we've done a bit of camouflage. So there's a few things that I need to fix up. So I'll need to fix up this line along the bottom here, and I've got a plan for that. So I just overthought this. Instead of just putting the blue tack down, I pushed it down and stuff, and it just sort of created a horrible line. But that could be fixed up. I'll just run another line just along that there, and I'll respray the line with blue, and we'll get a straighter line, better line. But apart from that, it's coming up pretty good. So the camouflage is coming up pretty good. I like the color variations and all that kind of stuff. The yellow looks all right, so we're looking pretty good. But underneath is too bad, so that's come up nicely. As I said, just this line here, and I accidentally frosted the cockpit a bit, so we'll see if we can fix that up. Otherwise I might just pull it off and put the other one on. Just learning. My first aeroplane, so I'm going to make mistakes. So that's what's going on there, but I'm going to have a break from that. So I'm going to just be working on 20th Panzer for a little bit. So I've got the Panzer 2. We're starting to get this sorted out. Nice little tank it is. So we're just starting to put a bit of, get this a bit nicer. It's, I just covered it in the old days. It's a Rico, so I absolutely covered it in dirt, the bottom part. But it'll be a Russian tank, so I suppose I can make that work. I repainted the top bit completely. So I'm just doing up some details now, and I'm going to put this with the panhard, so I'll have these two going together. So I'm going to put these on the same diorama sort of thing. And they're both a part of the same division, 20th Panzer Division, so that's a part of the Recon Battalion. This is a light tank battalion. So they're going along. So I might just work on them. I'll just have a bit of a break from the aeroplane, and then I'll go back and we'll fix up a lot of the things and keep going on it. But yeah, I've just been working on it quite a bit, and I've got it to an advanced stage, and thought I'd just get back cracking onto my 20th Panzer. So I'm just going to casually work on this today because I'm not feeling the greatest, so I just need something to relax on and watch a bit of TV and all that with. So I'll just work on these two. I'll do a bit more chipping and a bit more rusting, just some easy relaxing stuff for the rest of the day. Alright fellas, well, the plane's not looking great, but it will look better once I get that fixed up. So once this is fixed up here, that line, which won't be too difficult, then we'll be looking better, and then I can start putting on those dots, the darker dots that goes in here, those dark dots that they put on it. Yeah, I'll put them on as well. And yeah, we'll go from there, do some weathering and dry brushing, and we'll have to paint the wheels and the wheel bay and all that stuff. The wheel bays will have to be painted. The cannons, the rockets aren't any different, and I've got some metal rockets. So, but it does look nice, and the yellows come up very well. The propeller, I just might need to straighten that white line up just a touch. But it's all a learning experience for me. It's my first plane, and it's a lot different to tanks. A lot different. So we'll work it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate it. And I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.